This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Ever signed up for a free trial, only to forget about it and boom, surprise charge? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you, you'll never have to worry about that again? Today, I'll show you how to create unlimited virtual credit cards 100% free. For every free trial you can think of, no shady stuff, no monthly limits, and no headaches. Want Netflix for 30 days? Cool. Then again on a fresh account. Again. And again. Yeah, this is that kind of trick. I used to waste hours cancelling subscriptions. Now I just rotate cards like socks. Stick around, I'll walk you through everything. Smash that like button if you've ever been charged for forgetting a trial. And hit subscribe, because this rabbit hole, it goes deep. Alright, now that you're curious, let's get into the actual steps. I'll show you where to get the cards, how to use them, and a few sneaky smart tricks to make the most of every trial. Let's go. Head over to a site called JustUseApp.com on Google. Click on the first link in the list, but make sure it's the correct website link, and you'll land on this clean, easy-to-navigate homepage. Now, without wasting much time, scroll down a bit and you'll see a list of apps and perks you can use these VCC trials on. I've personally tested a few of them, and they work perfectly with the free trials. So, how do we actually get the free VCC for the trials? At the very top of the website, you'll see a button that says sign up now to get yours. Make sure to click on that. A page will pop up asking, choose what do you need the JustUseApp card for. And you'll see two options, temporary one-off use, and long-term use for privacy purposes. But as of the time I'm recording this video, only the temporary one-off use option is available, so go ahead and click on that. You'll now be redirected to a page to create your VCC. You can scroll through this page to explore sample VCC issuers and networks. All the cards here are dummy VCC numbers with CVV, name, and zip code, for e-commerce data testing purposes. To create your card, scroll down again to the list of card types. Click on the type of card you want, and it will be selected for you. The card will be automatically generated, showing all the details you need. Now, if you want to change the card but keep the same type, just click on the refresh icon here, and boom, a new one will appear. If you want to validate the card to check if it's working, go to the menu bar and click VCC Validator. Paste the copied card into the text field and hit Validate. Just like that, they'll display your card details along with any other relevant information. It works like a real card, only smarter. Now, let me give you a bonus, but before we move on, make sure to subscribe to the channel to support us. We really appreciate the love. The next VCC website I want to show you is neaPay, and it has similar card generation features like the first one. But for this site, here's how you generate your card, watch carefully. On the menu bar, click on Tools, scroll down, and look for Card Generator Validator. Click on it. On this page, you can both validate a credit or debit card number, and create a VCC for free trials. Let me validate the one we created from the previous website. As you can see here, the card is valid and correct, it even displays the same details as before. If you want to generate a new card on this site, look at the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see Generate a credit or debit card number. Select your card type, hit Generate, and your card will be ready in seconds. These are the card details you'll copy and use on any website that asks for information. Just keep in mind, these credit card numbers are not 100% real. They have no financial value and are meant strictly for testing purposes. And there you have it, two powerful tools to generate free virtual credit cards for trials, testing, and more. No risk, no cost. If this helped you out, don't just click away, smash that like button, drop a comment. If you've got questions or want more hidden gems like this, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next trick I uncover. Because trust me, the internet's full of secrets. And I'm just getting started. Catch you in the next one.